we are very happy that the court has vindicated the primary election victory of our client, Honorable Adebutu. Today, the court has thrown away the very frivolous suit that was filed by Jimmy Lawal. You know, this matter traveled all the way from the Federal High Court through the Court for Appeal to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court now said, hear this matter on its merit. This matter has been heard on its merit, and it has fully been dealt with, disposed of, and given a very decent burial. Because from the first day we said that this case was dead on arrival, and we are happy that has been approved. And you'll also recall that earlier this week on Monday, the Court for Appeal also vindicated the victory of our client as the properly nominated candidate for PDP for Ogun State. So this week has been a very great one.